Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors at a 2022 Ford Transit Connect Cargo. This is the longer version of the Cargo. Really nice unit here, super clean. It's 85,000 miles on it. It's got all the new goodies on it: power windows, power locks, keyless entry, Bluetooth. Pardon me. Automatic. Runs fine on regular gas. Things in really, really good shape. No rips or tears in the seats. The floor is in great shape. No tears in the floor. Headliner's in great shape. It's got the setback bulkhead as well, so you can recline back if you're a little bit taller. Cargo areas really nice and clean. No rips or tears in the flooring. Just a really nice unit to go do small deliveries around town. Rear backup camera. It is all sealed up, no windows, which makes it very secure for, for cargo and stuff like that. Rear backup sensors. I think I mentioned the rear backup camera and stuff that's on it. Really, really nice and clean. Thing's sitting on brand new tires. So it's got some nice safety features too. It's going to have the lane sense built into it there, for the driver safety and stuff like that. Front of it's in great shape. I don't see a lot of rock chips or anything on it. So the paint's in really good shape. It is a Southern vehicle. It was serviced down at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South. They went through it. Front end alignment, tire rotation, wheel balance, oil change, etc., etc. I do believe it's a one owner. It is a one owner, actually. Clean Carfax. I do believe it's a North Carolina vehicle as well. But really nice and clean. If you need some more updates on options and things like that, please check out our website at josephmotorsnc.com. Or you can hit us up on a phone call at 919-661-2886. I'm Nick. That's Johnny. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.